Bread. A staple of the human diet for centuries. We're going to make some today. Simple white bread. Let's go. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Tom and I'm going to teach you to make things, but not really teach you. I'm just going to do it myself, having never done it before. I'm going to make some bread. I know that sounds ridiculous. I have made bread before, but I've not made this one. So here we go. We're going to have a go at it. Nice and easy, this one. Shouldn't take long at all. The most of your time is going to be spent waiting. Like how you wait for the end of your life to arrive. Okay, easy. In one bowl, we have flour. We didn't have enough bread flour, so we've used some plain flour as well. And there's a little bit of salt in the corner. In this jug, I have some fast action yeast. And 300 milliliters of water. Oh, we need this olive oil too. It's 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Also, if you remember last week, we used pumpkin seeds in our brownies. So we had some left over, so we decided we're going to chuck some of these in there as well and make like a pumpkin seed loaf. Maybe we'll put some on the top as well. Easy, let's get on with it. Right, flour and salt into the bowl. A bit of flour stuck in the bottom of there. Hey. The thing is with bread, you don't have to just make like a normal loaf with it. As long as your recipe allows it and the cooking time and stuff, you can like separate it and you can plait it and things and make it look really pretty. I know. I haven't got any razor blade. Well, I'm not going to roll it. I'll make a loaf. I will make a loaf today. I know. What do you reckon then? Maybe we'll split it and we'll try to make some rolls. Oh, the cooking time might break it again. We've made this mistake before with cinnamon scrolls. So yeah, maybe we should just maybe stick to the recipe this time. I would love to do that. We'll make rolls another day. We'll do some sort of funky, like cheese and onion rolls. Okay. Our flour's in there. I just need to make a well in the middle of this and pour in this yeast mixture. So I'm going to make a well. Hang on.
It's a cave, not a well. It's a cavern.
Right, we have a cavern, a cave, and I'm gonna give this a bit of a stir actually as well because the yeast is settled on the bottom and I want to make sure it all goes in. Oh, I love a bit of yeast. It started going a bit bubbly. I put it in the water. It doesn't tell you to do that, but I thought it might help activate it. Anyway, I'm going to pour this straight in here. Ooh, make sure we get it all in. All right. And you're supposed to mix it and do your thing, and then you're supposed to knead it, but we have our fancy machine. So I am going to put this straight into here with a dough hook. I'll add my seeds after, I think. I think that's the way to go. Yeah, we'll get this on here and we'll get it mixing for a few minutes. Oh, olive oil, let's not forget. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to guess it. 1, 2, 3. That's about right. Half a litre. Right, we got a dough hook on here this time, obviously, so just keep your fingers crossed. I'll start it slow and then we'll build up. Right, there we go, off we go. Right, we've been about 10 minutes now, or something like that. I've taken it off the dough hook a few times to get it to knead properly, but it looks done. It looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to lightly oil this beautiful ceramic stoneware bowl that we've got here. I'm just going to spritz it so that the dough doesn't stick to it. Yeah, we'll do that, and then we're going to need to leave it to prove for a while. I do love a bread dough. It looks delicious. It smells lovely. It smells better when it's cooked, but let's have a look. Oh, yeah. Look at that, eh? Let's just turn it out. We'll make sure that it's, what do you call it? Tucked under, nice and neatly. We'll tuck it in, nice and neat. And then we're gonna leave it to prove for an hour, and we're gonna have some lunch, because we're bloody starving. I can't get it out of here now. A lot stickier than it was when it went in. Christ. I should have got some flour. It's all gone Pete Tong. Right, hang on. Okay, looks good. Right, let's have a go of it. This fucking table's sliding everywhere. It feels good though. It feels spongy and springy, and it looks good. I think I'm just going to do that. Let's make sure it's all tucked neatly. I'm a master baker. Let's pop it in here. We'll cover it over. We'll leave it to prove for about an hour, and we'll come back and see what it looks like. Hey, we're back. Okay, this has been this has been a very long time. Okay, so kind of forgot that when it's proved for the hour, you have to knock it back and put it in a tin and prove it for another hour. So we proved it in a tin, and it's gone a bit mad. It's exploded in size. It was like a ball in the loaf tin, and now it's already doing this. So if it rises any more, we might have a bread monster on our hands. And I'm just gonna sort of score it like a proper professional baker. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna have a go. So let's try. That looks all right. That's an expansion to me. Maybe a little bit more. That'll do. Right, it's going in the oven, 200 degrees for 25 minutes. Right, Alexa, can you set a timer? Alexa, can you set a timer for 23 minutes, please?
Second timer, 23 minutes, starting now.
Whatever. There's no need. Welcome back. Okay, we're done. I couldn't be bothered to show you all of the faffing about with the second proof. But here it is in B-roll. Basically, we put it back we put it in a tin. We knocked it back. We put it in a loaf tin, and I put it in the oven. And here's the big reveal. This is what we're working with. Da 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 da. Look at that. So there is only one thing left to do, and that is to cut a piece off and put some butter on it. I will caveat this, that knowing my track record, this could be a complete dense nightmare. A bit like me. But we're going to give it a go, and we'll see what it looks like. It was easy enough to make, it just took a long time to prove. Let me get a knife. What, the butter knife?
Yeah, and this thing's got butter on it. Come on.
What's got butter on it?
This on the side. Oh my god, please.
It doesn't matter, it's butter, it's fine.
Yeah.
Right, I have butter, I have knife, we have bread. I'm going to cut it open, and we're going to have a look and see what this bread's like. Okay, let's have a go. Let's cut the end off. I don't know yet, I really don't. It looks like bread. Yes, it's bread! Oh, wow. Yeah. Look at that, the texture's brilliant. I'm well impressed. All right, let's have a go with this. Okay, well, we got salted butter in here. Oh, obviously. The freaking butter it doesn't matter, it hasn't even been in the fridge, it's been out on the side in this butter dish, and every time we try to use butter, it's rock solid, so I'm trying my best to spread it. I might have to just sit it there like this. Ah, garlic bread. Oops, copyright. Let's have a look. I mean, it's not going to last more long enough to freeze, but oh, it feels soft, so that's good. It hasn't collapsed either, so I'm sensing it's a good sign. Oh, look. Look at it. It's perfect.
That actually, the shape of it and everything looks like every drawing of a bread you ever did see.
Yeah. Every drawing of a bread. It's spilled out nicely over the side. It does, look, it's like a bread. It's spilled out nicely.
Draw a bread,
Yeah.
you draw it like that.
Ta-da, it looks like a T as well. T for tit. Right, let's cut this into pieces. We'll all have a go. Jen, would you like to grab a piece?
Hand in there.
Oh. All right. What are we calling it? White pumpkin loaf. White pumpkin seed loaf. Tastes like bread. Tastes like bread with pumpkin seeds. It's good. That's all right for a basic recipe. Not bad at all. It's nice. A little bit of toast or dip it in some tomato soup. There you go. White tinned loaf, pumpkin seed bread. Easy, no problem at all. All right, guys, thanks again for joining us. As always, hit the subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have a go at this yourself. Yeah, your support is amazing. I love it. Thanks for watching. You're helping me live a dream. So keep coming back, please. And we'll see you in the next one. Laters.